don't drink the water, Kira. Just look at the new lake in Sutton Park. Yes. Oh, we could get some boats and start our own little leisure club off here. This was skiing. Yeah, the new lake in Sutton Park. We're going to call it Lake Burney. This is after Storm Dennis. The floods after Storm Dennis. I know they got it worse in Wales and stuff like that, but it's quite bad here actually. Looks like we had a bit of a river going. Look at it, that dog's scared of the water. Where's he going? Chasing her. Dennis.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Hi, are you the one who cooks the sausages in the storm?
I am, yeah.
Big fan.
Oh, hello. Well, this is a turn up for the books. So was you passing or something?
Yeah, just camping here.
What do you think of the storm so far?
It's horrible.
And did you survive Storm Kira okay?
Just about.
Yeah. Oh my God, yes. So you watched the YouTube channel?
Yeah, I'm a big fan of your YouTube channel.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you very much. See you later.
That was unexpected. Oh well, somebody likes my sausages in storms. Storm Dennis. That's got to be about the second one in 2 weeks, which is a bit of a run for us in England. But we're nice and cosy in the camper. If we can manage, it's a bit windy out there, and the rain's coming down. But we're nice and snug in our A-frame camper here, the English Penliner. So let's see if in this storm we can do three sausages and an egg in an A-frame camper. Now let's have a go. That always scares me, just a little bit. Now as normal, we'll get this pan nice and hot before we even think about introducing the sausages, which we've got stored in here. Yep, they have not escaped. It's getting windy in here. Yeah. I like to get it nice and warm. I'm going to show everybody the way I'm swirling the oil around this pan. It comes with a lot of practice, that does. Let's get them nice and warm. So first thing I'll do is we'll get the sausages out. Oh, and just look at that. Yum, yum. Let the people outside in YouTube land see exactly what we're going to be doing. And we're not going for just one, we're going for three. There you go. 3 sausages. And as always, I like to use the customary lid. I don't know if you can hear it. More rain coming. Oh dear. Never mind. I don't know whether you can see that in YouTube. Well, you can't smell it in YouTube land. But I'm telling you, we're rolling. We're having a little bit of success here. Oh yes, just look at that. We are looking good. Cooking on gas. The only way. Now, I think they are more or less ready. We're going to go for, ladies and gentlemen, the egg. Right. The egg. Now, I've been set a challenge here to do it sunny side up. It was a challenge from a guy in, I think, San Diego. So, hello San Diego. Here's the sunny side up egg. Here we go. Oh, it's blowing a bit of it. The storm's getting a bit heavy out there now. As soon as I put that egg in, actually, the storm got heavy. Okay, now, come on then. Sunny side up egg, one. Sunny side up egg coming up. Okay, everyone, this is where sunny side up egg. Not too bad at all. How about that? Can everybody see that on YouTube? One egg, sunny side up. But unfortunately, I am going to have to admit defeat because I can't get it to cook on the outside too much, and I don't want it raw. So, unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen, I've had to flip the egg. Bit of a scoop, and on the plate she goes. Turn the gas down. We'll turn the gas off now. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you 3 sausages and an egg, nearly cooked sunny side up in an A-frame camper in Storm Dennis. Hey. Storm Dennis, 3 sausages and an egg. And the proof will be in the tasting. Oh yes. I'm sorry about the egg I'm sorry the egg didn't come out sunny side up, San Diego guy, but I had to go. I have done it again. The thing you've got to understand is it's not how, it's the fact that we have cooked these in a storm. That was delicious. My compliments to the chef.